Hi guys, today we are back, and today we are opening day number 3 of our advent calendar. Whoop, this is going to be exciting. Yesterday we got Ellie the elephant and her PJs, and the day before on December 1st we got the chain set. Okay, I'm so ready guys. Ooh! Whoa! Guys, we got a bike! This is amazing! Wait, did a wheel spin? Let's try it on Ellie the elephant. So now it's on Ellie the elephant. It was like a stander. And now she can ride her bike. Wow. Ellie the elephant has a lot of toys. She needs a couple of friends. Well, now Ellie has the best Christmas so far, all by herself. So far, she got her shoe on a train set, and now it's like a scooter, like a bicycle. I say it's like a scooter, but like a scooter. Oh my God, she's so lucky. I would be jealous. And tomorrow, day 4, we'll be opening this. Sorry I didn't post because I was in school. Today's Monday for me. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. And bye. Lucky Christmas for me.